Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make garlic avocado dip. Very delicious, very nutritious. So let's move on to the recipe now. So here I have one large avocado that has been cut into many pieces. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the avocado into this blender. Okay, and that's all done. One clove of garlic, which goes inside. Now this is the juice of half a lemon that goes inside. This is 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So this is extra virgin olive oil that goes inside. That's going to be lovely. Having that in the avocado, one of my favorite combinations. So just add some salt to taste. Some black pepper to taste as well, that goes inside. And now what we are going to do is cover this and blend it. Okay, it's all been grinded now. So what I'm going to do is take out this avocado dip and place it into the bowl. Okay, you saw how to make this garlic avocado dip. Marvelous. What I've done over here is I've actually got some tortilla chips. So I'm going to actually taste the dip. And what we've done also is we've placed some coriander on top, a little bit of chili powder on top as well, just to give it that extra flavor. So let's see how it turns out. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow! That is sensational, scintillating, magnificent. The layers, the thickness, absolutely wonderful. The reason why I love avocado so much is because it's not just tasty, it's not just delicious, but it's one of those foods that they're both tasty and very, very nutritious, very healthy for you. It's very important that we have our macronutrients, that's carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. And avocado is very healthy because of the fact that it's got healthy fats in there. It actually is one of the sources that you can take each day to just get your daily fat intakes from. And it's high in vitamins, super nutritious, as I said. And it's also very good. It's been proven to lower cholesterol as well. So very tasty, very simple to make. That's the benefit of it as well. Very simple to make. You don't have to put in extra effort, tons of effort. Very simple to make, but the taste is delicious, it's nutritious. It's also satiating as well. From experience, I'm saying that. Okay, guys, so I have a question of the day for you guys. I haven't done this for a while, but the question of the day today is, and comment below the answer to this. What is your favorite fruit? Just your favorite fruit. I'm very interested to know what your favorite fruit is. So my favorite fruit is mangoes, and the specific Alfonso mangoes. Absolutely love it. What I love about those mangoes is that when it's very sunny, now we're in the midst of the winter season, but when it's sunny and really hot, and UK can get really hot in the summers, Alfonso mangoes, they come from India and are so juicy, so sweet. What can I say? Like, thinking about it, I'm like, oh, I can't wait for summer just to have that. So let me know what your favorite fruit is. And with that, do like this video. Please like this video. Beneath this video, there's a thumbs up button. Hit the like button if you derived value from this, especially if you are going to follow this recipe. Please like this video. It will mean a lot to us. And also subscribe to our channel. So beneath this video, there's a red subscribe button. Hit that red subscribe button. And once you've hit that red subscribe button, there'll be a bell icon. Hit the notifications bell icon so that you are informed each time our video is released, which is usually every single day. So with that said, catch you in the next one.